My name is Flash Isaac, and I'm a teacher from the future. When I was much younger, I saw thousands and thousands of people fail Jamb and unable to gain admission. This made me travel in time. Now I am back with the Flashlearners Jamb app and a series on YouTube tagged 120 Days to Jamb. My mission is to help you blast Jamb and as well get justice for everyone who Jamb has served breakfast. This is episode number 70 of the 120 Days to Jamb Mathematics with Flash Isaac. In this episode, we shall be analyzing this circle theorem. The question says, in the diagram above, O is the center of the circle ABC. Okay? This is A, this is B, and this is C. And O is the center of the circle. This isn't writing. O is the center of this circle. ABO is 26 degrees. ABO. So this angle B is 26 degrees. BOC is 130 degrees. This is B, this is O, this is C. 130 degrees. Correct? Calculate AOC. They said calculate AOC. But there is no angle between A and C. Nothing here to calculate. This suggests that we have to cut here like this. If you cut here like this, this is A, this is O, this is C. So O will now have its own angle. So this is angle O. This is what we are calculating. Let's call it S degrees. They've explained the diagram for us. It is left for us to use our score, to use our wisdom. Ladies and gentlemen, if this is center of the circle, you agree with me that this is a chord. This is a chord. Yes. Line cutting two parts of the circle, but they did not get to the center. You will also agree with me that from the center of the circle to touch the circle, here is radius, right? Here is radius. So for this triangle, this place, this is radius and this is radius. This is an angle, right? But we are aware that since these two sides are equal, the base angle will also be equal. If here is 26 degrees, here is also 26 degrees. Also, this is a line from the center to the end. From the center to the end. For this triangle, this is radius and this is also radius. The radius are equal. It means two sides are equal. Here is equals this. If that is equal, it means that if this angle is y degrees, this one will here will also be y degrees. Now there is one rule I want to introduce you to. Very, very important rule. What is this very, very important rule? It states that once you have something like this, what should I call this shape? This two V shape like this, like this, like this. This angle here is half the angle here. In other words, this 2 times this angle here will give us this. So anytime you have a shape like this, as you can see, like this, if here is 130 degrees, here will be half of 130 degrees. And what is that to 65 degrees. So here is, from here to here is 65 degrees. If here were 100 degrees, here will be 50 degrees. So anytime you have exactly something like this, if you know this angle, this one will be half of it. If you know this one, here will be 2 times of it. Please take note of the theory, provided that here is the center. If here is 65 degrees and we know that here is 26 degrees, y will simply be what? 65 degrees minus 26 degrees. That's what y will be. So y is equal to 65 minus 26. And this will give us 39 degrees. So y here is 39 degrees. I think food is almost ready. If here is 39 degrees, and we know that the two sides are equal and the two base angles are equal, here will also be 39 degrees. And this is a triangle. The sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So the x degrees which we are looking for plus this 39 degrees, this has died also. I spend money on marker, big money. So x degrees plus 39 degrees plus this other 39 degrees, everything should be 180 degrees when you sum the angles in a triangle. From here, x degrees is equals 180 degrees minus 39 degrees minus 39 degrees. X degrees should be 102 degrees. 102 degrees. So that is angle AOC. Let's see if we have that in the option. So option B is the correct option. Ladies and gentle people, this brings us to the end of this class. I trust you found this interesting and I trust you found this helpful. Feel free to subscribe to this channel if you've not. Tell your friends about this. Get the Flashlearners app and begin to play with thousands of questions across all your subjects, and everything works offline. What is worth doing is worth doing well. And to whom much is given should not run away with it. Take care of yourself. See you in the next episode.